Hi, and welcome to Professor A Designs. Today we're going to go through two ways that you can open files in Photoshop. So once you have Photoshop open, it does keep a log of your recently opened files here. Uh, but the easiest way to open files in Photoshop is to navigate to the File menu and go to Open. Navigate to the folder on your computer where your files are located. You can select them one at a time or two at a time. So you can select, hit Command or Control and click the second one, or you can just highlight both of them, click Open, and now they're open in Photoshop. The I'm going to close these out. The other way that you can open files in Photoshop, and you need to be very careful when doing this, um, because if you import them straight into the artboard, they come through as smart objects and not as your files, which makes them impossible to edit. So for the second way, I'm going to just select both files like I did before in my Finder, and I'm just going to use my mouse button to hover over Photoshop, and I'm going to just drag and drop them there. This may not work because I hovered too long, so we'll just do that again. So I'm going to come down here, and now they've both opened in Photoshop. And those are the two ways that you can open files in Photoshop just to get you started.